Hi everybody. Today we're going to do lesson 8-10, which is multiplying polynomials. Okay, so if you remember, a polynomial is just something with more than one term, okay? We specifically have binomials and trinomials, but they're also polynomials. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start with something from yesterday, or last lesson, I should say. 4x minus 1 and x plus 3. Okay, so here's the box that we may have made every time. Okay, we're going to put 4x minus 1 on the top. Okay, so I put 4x minus 1 on the top for the first binomial, and I put x plus 3 on the left side for the second binomial. All right, we are going to multiply right into this box. So you have 4x times x, which is 4x squared. You have x times negative 1, which is negative x. You have 4x times 3, which is 12x. And you have 3 times negative 1, which is a negative 3. If I went too fast, go back and listen again. Just listen and watch. Write it down now and then listen and watch to see what I did. Okay, once we have everything in the box, we take everything out of the box. So we have 4x squared, we have minus x, we have plus 12x, and then we have a minus 3. We are going to combine like terms. So 4x squared does not have any like terms, which means there's no other x squareds there. We have minus x and plus 12x. So that's really minus 1x. Okay, so it's negative 1 plus 12, which is 11x. And then we bring down the negative 3 because there's no other constants there, numbers that are by itself, and you box it, and you're done. That was yesterday's work, or last lesson, I should say. Here's example 1 of today's work. So let's just write it down, then we'll talk about it. X plus 2 times x squared plus 2x, sorry, plus 3. Okay, so as you can see, we have a binomial, just like we've been working with. Here's your binomial. And then we have a trinomial, meaning 3 terms. Okay, a trinomial has 3 terms. That means we're going to have 3 spots for that trinomial. So what we're going to do is we are going to make a rectangle. It's still a box, but it's rectangular instead of square. Okay, we're going to need 3 columns, being we have 3 terms. And we're going to need 2 rows for the 2 terms, or the binomial. Okay, so binomial goes on the side because there's 2 slots there. The binomial is x and positive 2. Then on the top, we have x squared from the trinomial plus 2x from the trinomial plus 3, also from the trinomial. So we're going to do x squared times x. Well, x squared times x is actually x to the third. All right, and you'll get used to that one. You'll see it a lot. X times 2x is 2x squared. Okay, x times x is x squared, so 2x times x is 2x squared. Then we have a 3 times x, which is 3x. We have a 2 times, going down here now, we have a 2 times x squared. That's going to be a 2x squared. Then we have a 2 times a 2x, which is a 4x. And we have a 2 times a 3, which is a 6. Okay, so now we are going to bring everything out of the box. So we have x to the third plus 2x squared plus 3x plus, oh, another 2x squared plus 4x plus 6. Oh, a lot of terms. 6 terms. Okay? Guess what? Because that's 2 times 3. 2 terms times 3 terms. All right, we're going to bring down the x third to the third because there are no other 3 exponents there, exponents of 3. Then we're going to take the x squared terms and combine them. So 2x squared and 2x squared is 4x squared. Okay? Then we're going to take the 3x and the 6x, the 3x and the 4x, and we're going to combine them. So 3x and 4x is 7x. And then we're going to take the constant, which is the 6. Put that at the end. There's no other constant terms. So it's just the 6. We box it. And we move on. If you need to take a minute and pause the video and catch up, please do so. Okay, we're going to do number 3 now. So let me just clear this out. Okay. Sorry, we're going to do example number 2 of the new work today. My goodness, I have to wake up today. X plus 5 times x squared plus 4x plus 1. Okay, we make our box, which is going to be a rectangle now, rectangular box. We are going to make 3 columns, so we have 3 slots for the trinomial, and we have 2 slots on the side for the binomial. Okay, so binomial, x and 5, positive 5. Trinomial goes across the top. There's 3 spots, x squared plus 4x plus 1. All right, so now we are going to fill in the box by multiplication. So x squared times x is x to the third. 4x times x is 4x squared. 1 times x is x. 1 times anything is itself, so 1 times x is x. Now we're going to have to do the second row. So we have x squared times 5. Well, that is 5x squared. Now we have, this is a 4x, I just keep writing all over it, 4x times 5, which is a 20x, and then we have the 1 times 5, which is 5. We take everything out of the box, x to the third plus 4x squared plus x plus 5x squared plus 20x plus 5. Okay? We bring down x to the third. We combine like terms, 4x squared and 5x squared, which is 9x squared. X and 20x, well, that's really 1x and 20x, which is 21x. And then we have a last term of 5, which is your constant, and there's no other constant number that's alone. We box it, and that's what I'm doing for today. So now it's your turn, okay? Let me clear this, and I'll put up 2 problems for you. Okay, guys, copy these 2 problems down. You only have 2 to work on today. Work on those. Hit pause, work on those, and then when you are done, come back and check your answers, okay? Okay, so here are your answers. First one is x to the third plus okay, hold up. I just changed one of the answers, so check your answers again. It's x to the third plus 3x squared plus 5x plus 3, the first one, okay? The second one looks okay. So if you're having trouble with these, go back, watch the videos again, because this was everything you had to do for today. So please make sure that you're trying to understand this, and we'll work on it again on the next video. Have a great day, guys. I miss you.